Hello everyone, I am Devranjani from gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about LDPlayer. Video games have become a lifestyle these days, be it for a teenager or an adult. Especially PUBG has created the maximum buzz among the population all over the world. But many among you may have storage problems and hence need to play the mobile version on your smartphone itself. But here's the solution to your problem known as LDPlayer. Older video games are real gold and today's games can't be compared to their craze. However, many of those games may not be available except for the older consoles. But with the help of emulators, it is possible to play all those old games on your mobile phone. Yes, you heard it right. Apart from the old console games, you can also play games like PUBG Mobile, Gamer Braves, Brawl Stars, Garena Free Fire Indonesia, and many more. Well, I know you all must be quite excited to know what is this LDPlayer and how it can be used to play the PUBG mobile version on your personal computer. So LDPlayer is explained as a software that will enable your Android operating system on your laptop or computer. In simple words, LDPlayer is an Android emulator that will allow your personal computer to accept the mobile version of apps. Therefore, after using an emulator, you can access all the features of an Android app on your personal computer. These features include playing the mobile version games on your PC, enable rotation, set your device location. Along with all these, you can even access the Google Play Store. So using an emulator can really help you play the PUBG Mobile on your computer. You may also feel some sort of fastness in the functioning of the game through the emulator and may find it more comfortable. Features: the emulator is one of the best options available these days to play some old consoles or mobile games on your laptop. It has numerous features like while using the emulator, you can quickly get rid of the mobile network issues that occur continuously with mobile phones. Secondly, you will not have battery problems while playing any game, unlike the situation while playing on smartphones. The screen size gets extra outstanding while you play on the computer. And who doesn't like to play games on a big screen? With LDPlayer, you may not face lagging issues, unlike other emulator. Your audio will not get delayed with a comparison to the video. You can also play numerous games all open at the same time with the use of the emulator. If you want to know more features and details about LDPlayer, please check out our Gossip Funda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.